Just out here in the forest. I've had a haircut. Just riding with my brothers and sister-in-law, and the sometimes riding your bike and just what's the word? Just getting out into the air, into the atmosphere is really good for you. It's great exercise, and when the weather's this nice, and I'm riding into a bush. I'm riding into a bush. So as I was saying, sometimes riding is just good for you. Just clears your mind. It's good exercise, and when things are sort of in quarantine right now, jumping into the forest where there's no one but lovely trails, it's great to clear your mind. And there's going to be a really funny video of my younger brother soon after this, and it's fucking funny. Don't do this stuff at home, but you know what? It's the dumb stuff you go up to when you're with your brothers.
So you better move.
No, it's fine. You're not. You got this.
Mate, you did it. Ah! You did it, mate.
Why would you go into me? You were meant to come out at an angle. You flipping dumbass.
Yeah, I told you to move. I'm not having a kid's life. I'm not having a kid's my balls! Mate, but hold it off, mate. I'll see what I look like.
And then we back home in the garden after our bike ride. Say hello. Hello. Satisfactory day, satisfactory bike ride. You love to see it. See you guys soon in the next one. Just thought I'd make a quick little short kind of vlog. Peace.